Hello guys, Hyundai Veracruz '08 armrest console repair. These are my broken latches, and that is my new latch right here, and my second latch here. Right, I'm gonna show you how to do that very quick. It's a no-brainer. Um, there is a one screw here, and there is another one up here, right there. Okay, you pull those screws out, put them in a safe place. They're right there, those screws right there. And then what you do is you carefully, with a flat head, you pry the plastic out. Okay, pry, pry. Go on the other side, and then you pry. Okay, so that pops up, and then you'll be able to pull the whole plastic out. This bottom cover, it uses these clips to hold it apart. So just carefully just pry it out. Doesn't need too much force, just enough to pop the clips out. Alright, set that aside. And then here is your latch right there. Okay, yours gonna be broken, so all you gotta do is, there is a pin here, you pull that out, you pull it out, and the whole piece comes out. It has a little spring on the side. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there is a spring on the side, and you need to make sure to put it the right way, where you can do this, where you can just press and it can retract. Okay, it's kind of hard to explain how it goes, but once you see it, you'll figure it out. I mean, if you pull these apart, you'll be able to figure it out how to fix that. Okay, remember, just the pin right there, pull it out and everything comes out. Okay, that's pretty much what you do. Once you're done with the repair, once you put it in place, then all you gotta do is grab the part, and it has these little tabs right there. One, two, goes in between or underneath the plastic cover right there. So let me just go ahead and place my latch. Okay, and it goes there, and see these latches right there, the tabs, that goes in like that. Okay, and then all you gotta do, push everything in. Okay, and you press until everything lines in place. Everything is lined up right there. Everything is lined up, good to go. Give it a little test. It works. And then you press down, and of course once you line up everything and it works, don't forget to put the Philip head screws back in place. One, two. Okay, comes down, it stays there. And the one on top, which is this one right here, that is the other one, all you gotta do, this is really easy, all you gotta do is press your screwdriver in between the leather and the plastic, and you pry it off. You'll see that will pop up really easy. Okay, so right there, and that pops up right there. You go on the other side, do the same thing, and that pops right there. So now I got my latch on the way, so what I'm gonna do is put my latch down and then pop that out of the way like that, and then everything comes out in the one piece. There, same thing. See, that's right there. And then this part right here, it's held by two Phillips head screws. One here, and then another one over there. Pull those out, and the whole piece comes out. This piece, that's what it goes right there. So this piece goes, this is a housing where this will be the push knob per se, and then you push, that's this piece right there, that's what holds the latch right there, and inside has two springs that makes the pressure. Right now on mine it's a little stiff, probably because it's been off for a while, it's been broken for a while, so the springs stiffen up. So I'm hoping with the time that will get more easy to release and all that. So, but that's pretty much. So you replace this, put this piece in the little housing right there, and then that's it. Put everything back in place. One, two. Okay, I order only this part, but if you wanna order the whole piece, you can also order the whole everything, the whole latching mechanism right there. Okay. Once you replace that part, once you put everything back in place, all you gotta do is bring this, put it in place, right? Go over your latch right there, and pretty much put everything back in place until you hit everything, and then you just give it a test. Okay, so you go down, and there you have it. That's a repair for broken latches on a Hyundai Veracuz 2008. All right, I'm gonna place a link for the parts, and then it's gonna call this video because there is hardly any videos on how to do this repair. All right, guys, thank you.